Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a fan to repair. This fan problem is very slow. See, if I turn on 1, it's not moving. 2, it's not moving. 3, if I press number 3, it's moving also very slow. See? It's very slow. So let's see how to repair it. Dear viewers, if you want to remove this cap, you have to tight it. If you tight clockwise, if to turn it clockwise, then you can remove it clockwise. Yeah. Dear viewers, if you see your fan is very slow, there is two reason. First reason, maybe your motor is very tight. Yeah, this should be loose. See, should be like this, free. So it's free. And second reason is capacitor. So if this first reason is free, and second reason is your maybe your capacitor is not good. So I'll change the capacitor, then hopefully will be okay. This is the 1.5 microwave. I'll put the 2 microwave. There is no plus minus, no positive negative, so anywhere you can connect. Yeah, let's test it. How is it? See, press 1, press 2, press 3, and speed is very high now. So alhamdulillah, I'll fix all the cover, then video will be back. number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay dear viewers, thank you so much. Just I have changed this capacitor, then this fan has been okay, so you can do by yourself, you can repair it by yourself. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.